Finished the car today in the last video, which you should already have seen, I think. Yeah, we're pulling into Paz. We have our for sale sign in the window. I'm pretty sure they don't allow for sale signs at this meet, which is kind of dumb, but we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully park somewhere in the center, get all the young hot boys looking, so they can see the for sale sign, and maybe one of them has money to buy this thing, something like that. Find out if the S2000 gathers more of a crowd than the R8.
What the hell is going on with that car?
It's a lowrider. No, it probably has bags. I have no idea. I assume all the spots in the center are probably like taken or whatever. Oh, look at that truck. You see that baby blue truck that was just there?
No.
Saw a truck enter there though.
Oh, is that little doggy?
Is that the what? The wing?
No.
I was gonna
that
say,
blue truck is the one you were just talking about.
Yeah, he just went in there. Yeah, I guess they blocked that area now. Like they're actually like enforcing the whole like. I didn't know they were gonna block off that area. They're finally doing it now.
Hey, walking red. I want to hear it.
Did you see how? There's so much black smoke behind us. Holy shit! Jeez, that's not good. You can't see because of the light.
Inside come,
dog?
Look, there's a doggy. There's two doggies in that car.
Hey guys, sorry about that previous video. I'm not sure how much footage I got, and also it was just really dark at that car meet. So I just recorded little things like that. We mainly went to the car meet to put a for sale sign on the car to hopefully gauge some interest, you know. I don't know, maybe. But as you saw, yeah, I just had a little bit of fun and whatnot. Really short video, but the next video is most likely gonna be kind of like a final goodbye to the car and everything like that, essentially. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.